Breakfast and brilliant ideas, coffee and conversation, we're serving up that and much more at IBJ Media's events. Join us at an upcoming event and kickstart your day with fresh ideas and new connections. Check out our event lineup and register now at ibj.com/RSVP.
This is Inside Indiana Business Radio on demand for Friday, April 10th, 2026. I'm Gary Dick. Daviess Community Hospital will cut the ribbon today on its new Women's Health Center in Washington, billed as a one-stop shop for women and families in the region, and comes as OB units are being eliminated in many areas. Hospital CEO Justin Harris.
We are supporting our community hospitals. This is certainly not to put anyone out of business or even compete. It is to keep our patients here in Daviess County.
Indiana's data center development surge is spawning some spinoff development. Wisconsin-based Faith Technology says it will invest $67.5 million to build a new manufacturing plant in Hendricks County. FTI currently involved in construction of Meta's $10 billion data center at the LEAP Research and Innovation District in Lebanon. It's expected to mean up to 200 new jobs. A family-friendly restaurant and entertainment venue with duckpin bowling and golf simulators might be coming to Whitestown. Zionsville-based Roning Ventures, LLC, and Bargersville's Taxman Hospitality Group want to invest $3.5 million to turn a former auto restoration business into the entertainment complex. From the state's #1 source for Indiana business news, you're listening to Inside Indiana Business Radio. Hello and welcome to Inside Indiana Business. I'm Gary Dick, coming to you this week from Northwest Indiana, Jeffersonville, Muncie, South Bend, in downtown Evansville, Terre Haute, Fort Wayne, Richmond, from one of the state's key entrepreneurial and innovation hubs, 16 Tech. Inside Indiana Business, Indiana's business news leader. A Lebanon business advertised as a faith-based therapy program is accused in a lawsuit of abusing several of its teenage residents, forcing them to perform extensive manual labor and depriving them of communication with loved ones outside the facility.
The lawsuit was filed Wednesday on behalf of 9 former residents who were residents at the Refuge Girls Academy at various times between 2011 and 2018. According to the Refuge Girls Academy website, the program is a residential home that helps girls ages 13 to 17 with academic and behavioral problems lead a successful and productive lifestyle through experiences such as spiritual activities, academic work, and physical health. The plaintiffs say they were allegedly abused in various capacities, including being put in isolation as punishment, forced to eat moldy and stale food, and required to perform hard physical labor, which included cutting lawns with child safety scissors. According to the complaint, when they performed schoolwork, the work was elementary level and almost entirely self-taught. The lawsuit states no licensed teachers, mental health professionals, or physicians were employed at the home. While residents could occasionally contact their families, communication was heavily censored, according to court documents. An attorney for the defendants told our partners at the Indiana Lawyer that the complaint is, quote, deliberately outrageous, comprised of allegations that are notably unproven and unverified, end quote. Alex Brown, Inside Indiana Business Radio.
Invest Hamilton County is launching a new workforce training program that helps people who are in recovery transition from receiving support services to landing a career. Rise and Reskill guides participants from recovery support services into structured career training through 8 hours of classroom instruction. The training offered monthly at Ivy Tech Community College, Hamilton County, which helped develop the curriculum. Camp Tecumseh YMCA has received a $10 million grant from Indianapolis-based Lilly Endowment to fund major facility upgrades and improve the camp experience for thousands of children. Camp leaders say the investment will support a series of upgrades, including a new activity center, a replacement of aging cabins, and improvements to aquatic facilities. This is Gary Dick for Inside Indiana Business Radio on Demand.
From breaking news to in-depth articles, discover the advantage of unlimited access to all news from IBJ and Inside Indiana Business with our limited time trial. Get started now at ibj.com/trial offer. Want to give your team a real edge? The IBJ Group Plan delivers unlimited access to every story, every report, every video from IBJ and Inside Indiana Business for your whole team. Cover some or all of your employees with one simple payment. The more you add, the more you save.
It's smart, it's flexible, and it saves you up to 30% off the standard rate. Already have IBJ subscribers in your office? Group up and save big. Learn more and get started now at ibj.com/group-plan.